Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to use the Derma section. It's a pore cleaning device for your face, this one. So earlier when I did a Amazon haul video, I mentioned that I bought this device, and so today I'm going to use it and show it to you guys because I used it like a couple of times or maybe more than that, and it really works. It like sucks out everything from your pores, all the blackheads, whiteheads, even the dead skin cells, and like it removes it completely. So today on camera I'm going to try it out since I have like acne on my cheek and on my chin, a few on my forehead. So I was like, okay, why not try it out and then film a video so that even you guys could see it. And if you like this product, obviously you can order it for yourself. I'm going to link down the Amazon link for this. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing is that these, like this machine has like 4 different heads. So it has like oval head, then a small head, again a sonic head and large head. So I'll show you how the heads they actually look like. So this is like a small head suction which can be used for your nose area or maybe your cheek and your forehead. This one's a sonic head because it has like a rough texture. So this one's a little hard, so it actually works like a scrub too. So you know, it's like a little rough. So this is the sonic head. Up next I have this large head. Again, you can use this for your forehead and the chin area, the jaw area. So this is again like a large head. And the last one is oval head for the corner of your nose, maybe under your chin. You can use this. So there are total 4 heads, and these are like the ones which works on batteries. So you'll have to insert the batteries into it, so which is what I'm gonna do now, and then start using it. So I have inserted the batteries. So here on the back it opens up like this. That's where you put your batteries and then you start using it. So here's like two speeds. One is medium and the one is very high speed. So I usually do on high speed because medium is quite too slow. But for your sensitive areas you can use the medium speed, but then on the other part you can use the high speed. So first, starting with medium, I'm gonna start with my cheeks. Always make sure that you keep a mirror handy with you so that you actually know what's happening on your skin. So I'm gonna take my mirror and then start using it. So this one's on medium speed. Also make sure that you are not applying any serum or any kind of moisturizer before using this device, because then it makes no sense. Nothing's gonna come out of your skin, like the acne and everything. So always make sure that you have nothing on your skin. Just wash your face and then you can use it. So since medium speed is not working, so I'm gonna go on high speed.
And I've lost everything, forever living in the dark. I feel so alive.
So right now I can only see very little amount of the whiteheads coming out, but since it has become like red, it's very normal. Your skin will tend to become red because it's like it's sucking the thing out of your skin, so it's gonna become red, but after a while it will become normal. And if it does not, then please do rub ice on your face if you're not used to using this device. Make sure that you read the description on the box what all is written, and then you start using it accordingly. But since I've used it and I know the redness will disappear after a while, so it's completely normal.
is your choice
So
to
guys, I'm
make.
finally done cleaning my face, and this is the only thing I think just came out of my face. I don't know if you guys will be able to see or not, but
Trying harder to
I don't know if it shows on camera, but there is like little, very little excess thing from like which this pore cleaning device sucked out of my face. So that is it, and now I'm just going to go and like wash my face. Nothing else. I'll just apply serum because since my skin has become like red from the sucking process, so I'm just going to apply like my serum or maybe like my moisturizing cream or maybe just rub a little ice on my face. And yes, that is it. So honestly, my review would be that it is one of the, not the best, but yeah, kind of like a very good product to have, you know, like a good suction device to have. And it's very handy. You can keep it in your vanity whenever you feel like you have like acne or anything on your face. You can just use it instead of going to the salons and doing it. So this is like very home friendly, and this is also very skin friendly. As of now, I do not have any complaint about this. So yeah, it's quite a good product, and I just use the small suction head. I've never used the larger one or the oval one because the small one really works fine for me. So now I have like these red bumps, and I know that this will just disappear within a few minutes. And yeah, like that is it, guys. So guys, that is it for today's video. I hope that you like this video. So if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and also turn on the bell post notifications so that you guys get updated every time I post a new video. And also don't forget to add me on all my social media. The links are always in the description. Don't forget to add me there as well, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.